definitely need to do a bunch of things today because my room is a mess and I gotta run errands and do my laundry, my long overdue laundry. So I figured that I wanted to grab my camera and record things with me. So before I do my laundry, I'm gonna eat my breakfast first. And it's actually raining outside, so I can't really do much. And it's freezing. I don't want to turn into a popsicle walking down the street, so I would eat this first. And my pancakes, and now I'm watching Stranger Things. Yeah.
Did you wake up this morning?
I woke up at 6 something, and then I saw messages from my... And good thing I saw the message when I woke up, and they wanted me to be there at 6, and I woke up like around 6:30. Yeah, and I'm like, I want to make it. I just woke up. I was already in bed when you texted me last night. We're just running to Target right now because I broke my glass. The only glass I have for my matcha latte and all that is broken. I broke my wet jar. I'm very sad about that because it was really unexpected and I only had one. So now I gotta get one more. But I don't think I can get wet jar anymore because it's gonna take a while because I have to order it from Amazon first. Anyway, yeah. You see that? These are the glasses that I found. I want the white one or the red one. I'm gonna like these 2 ribbons because it's not seasonal, because if I get the Christmas tree then it's only gonna make sense during the Christmas season, and I want it to be like forever with me. Okay, now that I'm home, I'm gonna make my matcha. I'm heading to school, you know, and I plan to do some things after school, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I did my hair today because I felt cute when my hair is curled. Period. Going to this photo booth museum here in Upper West Side. The first photo booth I'm ever gonna try from this thing. So excited. First trip is $8. I'm hot. We'll see the result. I hope it's cute. I did another photo booth, but I wasn't even recording when I hit. Anyway, I did another one. Situation here. I thought I just stepped on a poop, but it wasn't a poop. Anyway, that was fun, but I was sweating so bad. The second one that I took was really cute because I was actually in frame, and this is the other one. The first one, it's not very giving, but that's the beauty of the photo booth. It doesn't have to be perfect, but sometimes, because it's freaking $8, so I wanted it to be perfect. However, yeah. So this one, the first one that I took, is kind of similar to the old friend photo booth that's also somewhere located here. And then this one is new. I'm so excited. So exciting. They have a bunch of different photo booths that you guys would want. The prices per take are from $8 to $12. It's so fun. Period. That's a Rockefeller tree. I'm excited for that. So excited. So by the way, this is how they set up the Rockefeller tree. And we'll try and go there later. Anyway, yeah, this Korean restaurant just recently opened and I'm gonna try their food. I heard that they have the same owner as the Golden Diner that I've been wanting to try for the longest freaking time, but I haven't gotten the chance to actually try it. Anyway, we're here. This place is so nice. It's not yet crowded because I got here like 3. Happy hour. Perfect. Let me get one. Yeah, I'm still looking for, because I wanted something sweet for my cocktail.
A cocktail.
But I don't know what I want. Yeah.
Sure. The sweeter ones are gonna be the.
I want this kind of lights in my future home. I'm hoping that it's not gonna hurt my tummy, because if this hurt my tummy, then I would cry.
Hello there.
Hi
So
there.
We got some of the Korean fried wings, the honey soy
Thank
wings,
you.
and a side of steamed rice.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Cheers.
How's the margarita?
First sip. Oh, this is so good. Thank you. Thank you. Amazing. This is the honey soy fried chicken wings and just a side of rice, because you know, Filipino tummy could never go wrong with rice. It's so cute. The way that they serve it to me is so cute. So good. Gee, here is the honey pancake. This is the same pancake from Golden Diner that I've been wanting to try, like literally. And now I can finally try it. It's the mini version of it. If you know me personally, you know that I have tiny hand. Let's do the first bite. So my mic wasn't on earlier. Anyway, this is actually what I came here for. It's so sexy. This is the hottest pancake ever. It tastes so good. This is freaking insane. Oh my god. This is incredible. Oh my god. I just really wish that my fiance is here with me to enjoy this because this is insane. I'm not exaggerating, guys. Please don't cringe. This is just really, really good. It looks so perfect. I'm so happy right now. But I don't think I can finish the whole thing. So this is how much I should be paying for all this. It's nothing crazy, but this just gives you an idea of how much you would spend if you try this restaurant out. Couldn't finish everything, so I'm gonna take it to go. So yeah, this is how they decorate the Rockefeller tree. So the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree is gonna light up. They're gonna do the lighting of the tree on December 3rd. And I am planning to watch it, but they said that it's gonna be really packed. And if it's gonna cost me my mental health and everything like that, then I wouldn't do it. But it'd be fun. It'd be so much fun. I literally feel so bloated right now. I feel like my tummy is gonna explode anytime soon. I wasn't able to do my laundry earlier because it was raining. And so what I did is I took a nap, of course. And now that I'm back home, I'm gonna do my laundry. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!